Hey sir, what are we doing today?
We are making healthy breakfast.
What are we cooking?
We are cooking bread with eggs and broccoli.
Hey sir, what do I need?
Salt. Black pepper. Eggs. Tomato. Bread. Butter. Onions. Broccoli.
This is all we need. Let's start cooking, guys.
Let's start cooking.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video and just keep watching. So you guys gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit. So that's good. You know, add a little bit of black pepper. And they're crazy. You mix it together. And you go your egg. Put this back and we're gonna move to the next step. So guys, as you can see, everything is already made. Even my onions and tomatoes is already pre-cut. So I like to pre-cut my stuff, so I don't have to cut it every single day. Now it's more easier for me to just use instead of me starting from the beginning, sliding all these tomatoes and onion. So this gonna last me for like 5 days. So that's how I calculate my stuff. After 5 days, I buy a new tomatoes, onion, pre-cut everything, store it in my bowl and put it in the fridge to use later. So this everything I'll be using, I'll put this in the microwave and I'll get this started. And let's get it, guys. This is not gonna take a lot of time, probably 5 to 7 minutes at least. Yeah, let's get it. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. As you can see, this is easy, fast. It's not gonna, like, nothing special you need. You don't need anything special to make this meal. And as you can see, I show you guys step by step how to make this meal. Easy, pretty enough. I think I made it easy. Make it look easy, you know. So make sure you guys try this. And if you guys love this video, make sure you guys like that video, comment down below, and make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see more of my video. I'll be showing you guys more video next week of another breakfast I made that's more healthy for you, that you should be eating right now if you want to get in shape. I'll see you guys in the next video.